So the first type is numbers that start with 1. Let's take an example. Let's say we want to find the 12 cube. So how are we going to write it? So 12 cube. First write the first two digits as such. Now we're going to square the second digit. 2 square is nothing but 4. Now make the cube of the second digit. 2 cube is 8. So what is the first step that we did? We did the square of it, write it here. Cube of it, write it there. Next step is multiply the middle two digits into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So let's start adding it. So 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So what we're going to do here is 2 here will be remaining there. The one that is here, take it there. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 1, 7, 2, 8. So how we going to write is 1, 7, 2, 8. So 12 cube is nothing but 1728. So how we did it? First two digits, write it as such. Square of the number is 4. Cube of the number is 8. In the middle two digits is nothing but 2 and 4. You are multiplying it by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. So now we are going to add it. 8 as such. 8 plus 4 is 12. Write the last digit alone here and carry over the rest of the digits to the next place. So 1 here is we are carrying over it here. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 1728 as such we are writing it. So this is how we easily find. The type 2 is nothing but number ends with 1. So in case of the first type, we talked about the numbers which starts with 1. So similar technique we are going to do here with a very slight change. So the question that they have given is 21 cube. You're going to write 21 as such, but in the end this time. Initially we wrote in the starting part for the number starts with 1. The opposite we are going to do here. So we are writing it to the end. Same way we are going to do. 2 square is nothing but 4. 2 cube is nothing but 8. Similarly multiply the middle digits by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Now add it. 1, 6, 9, 2, 6, 1. So 21 cube is nothing but 9, 2, 6, 1. So how did we solve it? In the same way that we did for the type 1 with a one minor change. Instead of putting the 21 in the first two, we put it in the last two. So 21 at the end, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. Multiply the middle two digits by 2, which is nothing but 8 into 4. Then you are going to add it in the same way. Once you do this, you will get easily the cube for the problems which the numbers ends with 1.
First question, Anu ranked 9th from the top and 38 from the bottom in a class. How many students are there in the class? This question can be answered in two different ways. First method is, in the question it is said that Anu ranked 9th from the top. That means from the top after 8 students, next person is Anu. And position from the bottom is also given. It is 38th from the bottom. That means from the bottom after 37 students, next position will be Anu. Now you can find the total number of students in the class. Above Anu there are 8 students. Below Anu 37 students. Plus we have to add Anu also, that is plus 1. So total 37 plus 8 is 45 plus 1, 46 students will be there. Second method is the shortcut method. That is, if the position of a person from both ends are given, that is either from top and bottom or from left and right are given, just add those values and subtract 1 from it. Here Anu is 9th from the top and 38th from the bottom. So just add those values, 9 plus 38, then subtract 1 from that. So 9 plus 38 is 47, minus 1 you will get it as 46. Second question is, Arun ranks 12th in a class of 46. What will be his rank from the last? Here rank of Arun is given as 12th. That means from the front after 11 students, next person will be Arun. We know that the total number of students is 46. So to find the remaining students, what we have to do? Subtract 12 from 46. So 46 minus 12 is 34. Now our question is to find out the rank of Arun from the last. So we got there are 34 students behind Arun. So the rank from the last will be 34 plus 1, that is 35. This is one method. Second method is the shortcut method. That is, if the total number of students and the position from one side is given, then to find the position from the other side, what you have to do is just subtract the values which are given in the question, that is total minus position from one side. You have to subtract it, then add 1 to it. So total number of students is 46 minus position of Arun from one side is given as 12. So 46 minus 12, then add 1 to it. So we will get it as 34 plus 1, 35 as the answer.